Hey guys, welcome to the channel. Now I'm introducing a new series called Made in the Kitchen. And today we're going to be making banana bread. Full recipe I'm going to leave in the link down in the description down below, not the link. Don't have that one yet. And as I say, we're running on a one-to-one basis for everything. Nice little threesome action with our flour, butter and sugar. All I've done right now is I've just creamed my butter and my sugar together. Well, that was a lot quicker than I thought it would have been. In order to start getting that nice little texture that I want. I want to get all the little granules pushed up, nice and neat, and packed away. So that way, when we add the flour, we're not going to get any grainy tastes left behind. So let's move on to that next step now. Oh, I've also got my oven preheating. I was going to make a joke, but I chose not to. Next, we need to crack our eggs. One at a time. That was meant to be a lot smoother than it was. It's been way too long for me. Because that sounds good. Next egg. I have an automatic bin, and it's so cool. Don't worry, it's supposed to sound like that. That means you're doing it right. Don't forget to pay some love to the sides. Don't want to forget anything now, do we? Just realised you're probably not able to hear me over the fact that I've got my microphone here, and yeah, I'm out of shot. I'm still figuring this stuff out. On to the next part. I was gonna try to turn this into B-roll, but my biggest fear right now is I'm dressed like, look, get this. I'm dressed full Maid outfit. Bear that part in mind, okay? Bear that part in mind. I'm literally full Maid outfit. There's no two ways about it. And fully done up. And I'm expecting a parcel in about 20 minutes. Don't know how I'm going to explain this one to my mailman, in all honesty. It's going to be fun. Let's get the flour. Now the thing with this is we do not add the full flour. You only add about half, I'd say. Go for about half the flour. And then, once it's all done, let me just... Oh, hello, lovelies. I'll add half the flour. And again, just start winding that into it. That's the magic of that part. We don't add it all in one go. So if you add it all in one go, it's just going to become dried out far too quickly. So we want it to mix, not dry. And that's the secret. It's literally just go half first, half later. It's the same reason we do the eggs one at a time as well. It's easier just to go slower. At least that's what I've heard. It's going to give your arms a good workout doing it this way. I mean, you can use other methods. There are electronics that can make this a lot easier. But I prefer just to get a hands-on approach. It lets me really know I'm doing it right. 1 tablespoon of baking powder as well. Just to, again, get it all nice and risen. We want a nice big rise. And when it comes to adding your bananas in just 1 second, you'll see why. It's a bit messy now. Gonna need a maid to clean up after me. Oh god. Okay. Keep it clean. Yeah, it's a healthy sound, don't worry. You want a nice creamy mixture at your fingertips. Flowers everywhere. Okay, I'm back. I'll mop up later. So, in the end, that's what essentially we're looking for. It's creamy and runny. Now we're going to add the bananas. I can comfortably go for 2. Some of you might be braver and go for more. But I know what I can handle. And that's what this comes down to. Don't worry if they're a bit bruised, a bit beaten. We want them to be a bit worn. We don't want them new ones just yet. Yummy. Okay, I'm back. Because now we're going to mush our bananas into our mixture. Just realised my microphone's right here, right next to essentially what I'm beating. And yeah, we just beat them 2 bananas until they're nice and mushed into what we want. Some people mush it beforehand. That's the wuss's way. I like to be in the moment crushing these bad boys. Next, we're going to grease up our tray for it to be able to hold all our stuff nicely without gripping it too badly. Now again, most people use a tissue. My hands are clean and I like to get them in there nice and deep like. As you can tell, it's a 4-finger job this one. Don't worry, she can take it. Just find my microphone, sorry. This is the way you can do this where it fits perfectly. But I don't know that method. So I'm just going to shove it in and hope for the best. Much like the first time. Don't worry about how pretty it turns out at the end. All we're going to worry about right now is just getting it in and having a great time. That's all it's about. So then we get to go in with our batter mix, yes. Look at that. Nice and creamy, nice and smooth. Ah, it's so beautiful. And we're going to want to get every last drop. Let's not be shy about this. Let's not be skimping now. I was trying to hold it so like you could see it better, but I don't know how to hold it that way yet. Again, I'm still new to this. You know this now. You know I'm still new to this. I'm winging this as best I can. See, do you know a fun fact? I've only ever made banana bread once before. And I thought, you know what? Let's make a recipe on it. Let's show people how easy it is. Because it's so easy, as you just bore witness. It is such an easy thing to cook. Well, to make. Few ingredients and we're done. And there it is, all done. You can hear my sink in the background because I've now got to crack on with cleaning the floor of flour, cleaning the dishes of what I've just created, messing with my hair, and this is going to take about 50 minutes in the oven. You know, so it's not as big a commitment as most other things in the oven, but that doesn't mean I'm not open to suggestions. Now we wait, and soon we'll have ourselves banana bread. I've got to do the dishes. Like, oh my god, it genuinely smells so divine in my kitchen right now. And my kitchen's not very big, so the smell, it just permeates, and it smells absolutely stunning. Let's go check on it. Come on. Oh my god, look at you down there. You want to check out the oven with me? Oh, come on, let me just get a tea towel. Someone will burn off fingers. Do we? No, we don't. This is going to be so divine. It's going to be beautiful, trust me. Ah! Like, oh my god. Why does it smell so amazing? Oh my god, guys. This is totally the best thing ever. You should totally give her a go whenever you're at home and you're doing nothing. Look at this beauty. We got ourselves banana bread. Oh my god. Oh my god, we got banana bread. This is like totally something I never thought I would be ever able to do without the support of every one of you. I'm so proud of what we've accomplished today. Have you seen it? How cute does that look? Okay, let's get thumbnail face. This just smells too divine, so I'm gonna say thank you all for following along, making it to this point in the video. If you enjoyed it, please consider liking, subscribing, maybe leaving a comment. Tell me, what would you do? What would you have with your banana bread? Would you actually have anything else with it? Or would you just have it on its own? See, I'm not too sure what I'm gonna do, so I'm just gonna tuck it. Well, first, I'm gonna let it cool, and then I'm gonna devour it. I'm just gonna nom 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 nom. See you all next time. Love yous lots.